Look! These are the toys that we buy. Show those toys to you. Look, to the viewers.
Gusto nilang mag-vlog daw. Kasi sobrang busy na. Kaya hindi na ako nakaka-vlog.
How are you guys?
Ayan, excited na sila sa binili kong laruan. Gusto na nilang i-open. Nag-aantay kami sa asawa ko kasi nandun sa Costco bumili ng mga kailangan namin sa bahay. At yung laruan gusto nilang i-unbox. So ito yung sa kanya. Yung sa anak ko, affordable lang naman to guys. Ito ay $7.99. Nabili namin sa Drug Mart, London Drug, Vitic. At ito naman yung sa anak ko na babae. So ayan siya, tingnan natin. Kasi yung gusto na nilang magkaroon ng toys, kaya binilhan ko sila ng tig-iisa, affordable lang kasi medyo Christmas from now, 13 days. So yung toys na binili ko sa kanila ay naka-package na, kaya hindi ko pa ibibigay hanggang Christmas. Ito yung parang headphone, music. Mahilig kasi itong anak ko na music. So ayan siya. So i-unbox lang namin habang nag-aantay sa asawa ko na nandun sa Costco. We'll see how it looks.
Let's open it. Time to open it, everybody. So,
don't cry, we will open it. Oh, your purse, okay. Your purse, beep beep. Your purse, beep beep.
Beep beep first.
Yeah. Beep beep bum purse.
Yeah, thanks. As we ripped a little bit, we still need some more.
Ayaw nang sobrang busy ko na kasi guys, kaya halos hindi na ako nakaka-vlog. I love you beep beep daw. Ayan. Mura lang, affordable na laruan. Hindi naman kailangan talaga na mahal yung mga laruan, basta lang meron silang laruan once in a while. Masaya na sila nun. Yeah, just wait a little bit. Mommy will open it. There we go. Tcharan! Basta may light lang siya. Ayan, gustong gusto na ng anak kong lalaki. Yung sa anak ko naman, ito naman ay $19. So hindi naman gaanong kamahalan talaga na laruan. Basta lang, may bagong laruan lang. Okay na sa kanila yun. Hindi na nakakaantay sa bahay. Kaya dito ko na lang i-unbox. Up down? Yeah, up down. You pushed it, the music.
Okay. I already know how to plug it in and make the music.
Okay, just. So, ito na yon, yung sa anak kong babae. So, may headphone siya. Ayan.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This mine? These are tiny headphones.
Yes, yours.
Mom, can you give me the phone?
Yeah, just wait. I will.
Tiny phone, please. There was a farmer. Instrument beaming. Press the arrow button to see the distant melody. Then press the light up music button. You can change the instrument by pressing the arrow button. Up and old man. Up and down.
Yeah. Okay, see you now. Thank you. Bye now.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye guys.